Hey there, and welcome back to Building Success. Today we're diving into a game-changing topic, confidence. Whether you want to crush an interview, speak up in a meeting, or just feel better about yourself, confidence is the key. But here's the thing, true confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. And in this video, I'll share a step-by-step guide to help you develop confidence that lasts. Let's get started. Part 1, Understanding Confidence. What is confidence? First, let's talk about what confidence really is. Confidence isn't about being perfect or knowing everything. It's about trusting yourself to handle whatever comes your way. Think of it like a muscle. It grows stronger with practice. There are two types of confidence. The first is situational confidence. You feel good about specific things you know how to do, like cooking or driving. The second is core confidence. This is deeper. It's the belief in your ability to learn, adapt, and grow, no matter what the situation. The good news? Both types of confidence can be developed, and I'll show you how. Part 2, the confidence building framework. Step 1, start small. Building confidence starts with small wins. Pick something that challenges you, but isn't overwhelming. It could be speaking up in a small group, or learning a new skill. Every time you succeed, your confidence grows a little more. Step 2, practice self-awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts. Are you constantly doubting yourself? Replace negative self-talk with constructive ones. For example, instead of saying, "I'll never get this right," say, "I'm still learning," and that's okay. You become your own biggest supporter. Step 3, take care of your body and mind. Confidence isn't just mental, it's physical too. Exercise, eat well, get enough sleep. When your body feels good, your mind follows. Even simple things like good posture can make you feel more confident instantly. Step 4, set achievable goals. Confidence grows when you see progress. Set small, achievable goals that align with your bigger aspirations. For example, if public speaking scares you, start by sharing your opinion in a group and then work your way up to a presentation. Step 5, face your fears. Confidence isn't the absence of fear. It's taking action despite it. Each time you step outside your comfort zone, you expand it. Start with manageable challenges and gradually tackle bigger ones. Remember, fear is temporary, but growth is permanent. Step 6, surround yourself with positivity. The people around you matter. Spend time with those who uplift and inspire you, not those who drain your energy. Positive environments fuel your confidence and help you stay focused on your growth. Part 3, habits for long-term confidence. Habit 1, daily affirmations. Affirmations are powerful. Start your day by saying things like, "I am capable," or "I deserve success." It might feel strange at first, but over time it rewires your mindset. Habit 2, learn something new. Confidence thrives on growth. Commit to learning something new regularly. Each skill you gain becomes another brick in your confidence foundation. Habit 3, reflect on wins. At the end of each day, write down 3 things you did well. This simple habit shifts your focus from what went wrong to what went right, building a positive mindset. Habit 4, help others. When you help others, you feel valuable, whether it's mentoring a friend or volunteering. Contributing to someone else's success reinforces your own self-worth. Confidence isn't built overnight, but with consistent effort, it becomes second nature. Remember, it's okay to stumble along the way. It's part of the journey. The important thing is to keep showing up for yourself. So, which of these steps are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share with someone who could use a confidence boost.